Hello everybody, thank you so much for being here and that you found your way back to my channel. I wish you all a happy new year. I hope you're all doing very well. I started this year by cleaning out my art studio, getting rid of things that I don't need anymore, and especially, like as you can see, going through all of my frames. I have many more, although those are the small ones that I collected over the past few years. I bought them in flea markets, found them on the streets, or even got some as presents, because all of my friends and family know that I always need frames. So I went through them to go to the art store and find canvases and panels that fit the frames. Also, it's always fun to look at different colors and things that I don't need. Good morning, everybody. So, this is how my studio looks like right now, which is a huge mess in my opinion. I won't be able to work like this at all. I have so many unfinished projects waiting for me here. But first of all, I will need to clean everything up. Otherwise, I won't be able to concentrate. So yesterday I finally got one layer of white acrylic paint, which isn't normal acrylic paint. It's extra for wooden things. So I finally got one coat done, and I'm thinking of adding another layer now, or should I wait until I paint it a little bit? Well, anyway, I will have to clean this up right now. So I think it took me almost maybe 2.5 days to finally organize and clean out my whole studio. It was really necessary. I think it was a perfect start into the new year. I bought some things at the art store that I wanted to show you. This is a new sketchbook. I do have an old one that I just stopped using because I've noticed that I also evolved and improved my art skills, and I just thought it was time for a new one. As you can see, I did buy some oil paint, which I was out of. And like I said before, I took my frames with me and looked at other panels that might fit or did fit. Some are too big, and I will cut them with my dad together. Yeah, but I'm very happy to have some new projects to look forward to. And here I just pack up all the frames that I don't need right now, that I didn't buy a canvas or a panel for. And then it just goes back into my closet, waiting to be used at some point. Here are some of my unfinished projects of the moment. Those two I painted with some leftover paint. I really like them, but I don't have frames for them. And this one I'm going to finish in this video. This frame has a funny story to it. It was made in Italy and was sold in the United States, and my mom bought it for me and brought it back to Germany. So anyhow, I also wanted to share with you how I prime the pages of my sketchbook. Sometimes I like to add any kind of acrylic paint. This is totally optional and not necessary, but I like to mix it with my primer that I got in my local art supply store here in Germany. I'm sure that there are many different brands to choose from, but this is the one that I like. I think I added 3 or 4 layers in total, and while it was drying, I was working on my oil painting. Here I'm using different brands of oil paint that I also just got from my art store here around the corner. And this is the walnut oil I like to use for my oil painting. Be careful, this is only made for painting and not for cooking. So I actually painted a very similar painting a few years back, and over the years I heard so many people and clients telling me that they also want to learn how to paint this painting, and they just really enjoyed it, which kind of inspired me to paint it again. And I'm so glad that I did, because I really like this painting as well. The last step of finishing your painting would be varnishing your painting. So once the painting is completely dry, I start prepping it. First, I gently clean the surface with a soft brush to remove dust and small particles, and especially dog hair. After that, I apply the varnish, and I try to do this very carefully and slowly, and then I let the painting dry. I'm so glad that my partner helped me drilling the holes into the frame, because I do not know how to do it without breaking the frame. And here's my painting all done. Many of you maybe know already that Antonia and I opened our own art school last year in Bad Nauheim, here in Germany. And in December we had to move into a new space, a bigger studio, because we've grown so much over the year that we didn't have enough space for all of our clients and students, which is so amazing. We offer art classes for children, teenagers, and adults, and we also host birthdays and special workshops for people who want also private art lessons. Teaching art became a very big part of our life, and we just love creating a safe and creative space for everyone and inspire other artists, and just being together is so wholesome. We love our job. So for my birthday, we went to a farm, which was so nice. It was a very beautiful day. Being surrounded by animals felt very grounding, and I just wanted to thank you all for being here, and I hope that I see you in the next video. If you have any questions regarding our art school, art classes, maybe even art supplies, feel free to ask in the comment section. I'll try to respond as fast as I can. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for spending time with me. I hope to see you very soon. Bye!